We have some good news for Tesla. Rivian drops 19%. The market is not closed yet, but it's looking really bad for Rivian. Bad news for Tesla competitors is good news for Tesla. Rivian posted sales of 663 million versus estimates for 724 million. So the losses that Rivian posted were higher, as you can see right here. The company estimates production of 50,000 for 2023. That's nearly double last year's production, but well below the 60,000 Wall Street had been expecting. Not good news for Rivian. In total, on a full year 2022 basis, Rivian produced 24,000 vehicles and delivered 20,332 vehicles. It fell short of its stated goal of 25,000 for 2022. Whoops. I'm recording this before the Tesla Investor Day, and the day is about to start. So we are going to do this one quick. Very good sales figures for Tesla in Italy. In February, many times more cars were sold than usual for this month. Overall, the third best month so far was achieved. And keep in mind, this is the second month in the quarter, so this is actually really good. This, you could say, is a new record for Tesla in Italy. Here, just take a look. This is the current number in this color, and the second month of any quarter I don't think was ever this high. So this is really good. The only times when Tesla delivered more cars in Italy were always at the end of each quarter, right here in red and right here in red as well, but these were the last months of the quarter when Tesla has this delivery wave. And here's what is even better. So after these first 2 months in Italy so far, almost the best quarter has been achieved so far, and we still have a full month left. So that is something to think about. Italy is looking pretty good. Big shout out to Roland for putting these together. Hopefully the trend continues, and this year is going to be a super big record for Italy. More good news for Tesla. Bad news for Google's Waymo self-driving project, though. Google has now started layoffs at its self-driving division, Waymo. James has called it earlier that Waymo is probably going to be not around anymore. Not a long time from now. Waymo, says James, easily burns $2 billion per year, maybe more. I see some comments here laying off the drivers that were monitoring the cars. However, when I read a story from Reuters, it says Waymo eliminated some engineering roles as part of the cuts to focus on commercial success, the company said in a statement. So I think they need a little bit more information to come out first before we make a definite conclusion. Maybe this was just drivers that were monitoring the vehicles that were fired. Maybe supposedly the vehicles are that good, but let's hear and see what happens soon here. We should have more information soon. Oh, look at how thick the Cybertruck door is. It's looking really nice. I can't wait for my Cybertruck. Interesting fact, check-in staff just told me only 50 of the 275 attendees are retail lottery winners. Also, the Cybertruck prototype at the Investor Day has this different wheel. It's not really a yoke. It has this upper part as well. I think many people would prefer this probably. So probably a good idea. One of my friends that has a Model X with a yoke complains all the time about the yoke. He says he loves it when he's just driving and cruising and not turning, but when he turns, he doesn't like it. Although he hasn't had the car for a long time, so maybe he'll change his mind later, but so far he doesn't like it. But the biggest thing that he doesn't like about the Model X is the stocks. There are no stocks, so he has to change gears on the screen, and he says it works most of the time, but at one time that he misses out of, let's say, 10 times, it is really annoying because you want to go and you're not going yet. So maybe Tesla should think about a slightly better way to change the gears. Maybe just a button on the steering wheel, just like you can scroll up and down, the volume on the steering wheel. Maybe something like that for the gear shifts as well. I often have different opinions from Ross, but he's a Tesla bull and I respect that. And when he posts a cool picture, I have to share that. looks pretty good. The Investor Day, I'm so looking forward to that. It's about to start. ARK Invest has a new member join them, specifically Autonomous Technology and Robotics Research Team. Oh, and if it wasn't bad enough for Rivian to miss most of their metrics, they also just recalled 12,700 EVs due to airbag deployment issues. Gary says, why I struggle with incremental Tesla robotaxi valuation anytime soon? Mercedes isn't Tesla, but 2030. And he posts Mercedes. I did a video about Mercedes. Yeah, I strongly disagree with this one. And I like Gary, by the way, so I am disagreeing here very respectfully. I found a comment, I can't find it anymore, but one of the comments said Gary should have stopped at Mercedes and Tesla. Also, the Tesla Model Y was the best-selling vehicle in Denmark and Norway in February of 2023. That's good. Not that many sales, but still pretty good. We like seeing these numbers. And there was also a lot of drama before the Investor Days started. Hallmark's catalog did not get invited to the Investor Day. Here's what Tesla said to him. Good evening. Please understand that Tesla does not condone the posting of its internal information on public platforms. As such, we cannot extend an invitation to Tesla's Investor Day to you, best Tesla's team. What did he post? What did he share? Probably this right here. Someone wants to be a doll and leak the release notes. I think he was talking about FSD. Just DM us and we'll post them for you anonymously. This was about a year ago now. Okay, got them. That's probably why. So, yeah. There was also a lot of confusion with Gally. He said that he flew all the way to Austin, stayed there overnight, and then he tries to check in, and then he gets rejected, and then he asks for an explanation, and Tesla team says, we emailed you, and then he asks them to show an email because he couldn't find one, and he didn't get a response, and he was basically escorted out. And Gally, he's a Tesla stock bull. He thinks Tesla is going to $10 trillion valuation. He's very, very bullish, and I think he's a great addition to our Tesla stock community. So when I saw that he got rejected and basically kicked out what seemed like without any explanation, I was not happy, but luckily Gally got in finally. I like this. Inevitably, there is going to be some confusion, but this is a good move on Tesla's part that they did eventually let Gally in. I'm happy about that. And this is the Tesla stock buying opportunity explained by Elon Musk. My name is Matt Posius, and now I'm looking forward to the Investor Day. You guys probably already saw it, but I'm about to look at it. So thank you for watching.